Need reliable power on the go? The best 2000-watt inverter delivers high-efficiency DC to AC conversion, ensuring your devices run smoothly anywhere. Perfect for camping, RVs, or emergencies, it combines power, durability, and safety in one compact unit. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BELTTT 2000-watt inverter. The BELTTT 2000-watt inverter is a highly capable and versatile power solution for automotive, RV, solar, and emergency applications. Delivering 2,000 watts of continuous DC 12V to AC 110 to 120V power and up to 4,000 watts of peak surge, this inverter handles heavy startup loads with ease, making it suitable for appliances and sensitive electronics alike. Its pure sine wave output ensures that devices such as televisions, home theaters, laptops, and car stereos receive clean and stable power, reducing the risk of damage and extending their operational lifespan. A smart LCD display provides real-time monitoring of input and output voltage, battery status, and load conditions, allowing users to troubleshoot and manage power efficiently. In addition, the inverter offers multiple connectivity options, including dual AC sockets, a 20A outlet, a 5V 21A USB port, a hardwire port, and a 23-foot wired remote, ensuring flexible use in a variety of scenarios. The BELTTT inverter prioritizes safety with built-in protections against undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, overtemperature, short circuits, and reverse connection. Its sturdy aluminum and plastic housing ensures durability and long-term reliability, even in demanding conditions. Whether used for RV trips, off-grid solar setups, trucks, or emergency situations, the inverter delivers consistent performance, efficiency, and peace of mind. Number 2. Renogy 2000-watt inverter. The Renogy 2000-watt inverter is a high-performance inverter designed for solar power systems, RVs, trucks, and off-grid applications. It delivers 2,000 watts of continuous DC to AC power and up to 4,000 watts of peak surge, providing reliable electricity for a wide range of household and recreational devices. Featuring pure sine wave technology, the inverter produces grid-quality AC output, ensuring the safe operation of sensitive electronics such as laptops, tablets, televisions, freezers, and lighting systems. Its high conversion efficiency, exceeding 90%, minimizes energy loss and ensures that devices receive consistent and stable power. Safety is a primary focus of the Renogy inverter, which incorporates undervoltage, overvoltage, overtemperature, overload, short circuit, and ground fault protections. Cooling fans further prevent overheating, while LED indicators offer clear status notifications, allowing for proactive management. The inverter is designed with user convenience in mind, offering 3 AC outlets, 1 AC terminal block, and a 5V/2.1A USB port for versatile connectivity. 2 1/0 AWG 3-foot cables and a 16.4-foot wired remote provide easy installation and remote control, allowing users to monitor and adjust power output without physically accessing the unit. Ideal for RV trips, off-grid solar setups, and emergency situations, the Renogy 2000-watt inverter provides quiet and efficient operation even under heavy or inductive loads, reducing buzzing sounds and ensuring smooth device performance. Number 3. LANDERPOW 2000-watt inverter. The LANDERPOW 2000-watt inverter offers reliable, high-quality AC power with 2,000 watts of continuous output and a peak surge of 4,000 watts, making it ideal for a variety of off-grid, automotive, and emergency applications. Its pure sine wave output ensures clean, grid-quality electricity, which protects sensitive electronics such as laptops, CPAP machines, microwaves, LED lights, and window air conditioning units from potential damage while providing smooth and flicker-free operation. Achieving over 91% efficiency, the inverter reduces energy loss and enhances the lifespan of connected devices. It features multiple output options, including 3 AC outlets, a hardwired AC terminal, a 5V by 3.1A USB port, and a 30W PD fast charging port, providing versatile power solutions for RVs, homes, solar setups, and job sites. Included high-quality 2AWG battery cables ensure safe and efficient power transfer while reducing heat buildup and maintaining stable performance. The LANDERPOW inverter comes with a smart LED screen remote controller offering a 15-foot wired connection to monitor battery levels, output voltage, and errors in real time, while also allowing convenient one-touch shutdown and restart. Capable of handling heavy startup loads, this inverter effortlessly powers appliances and tools, making it suitable for both domestic and professional environments. Number 4. Ampeak 2000-watt inverter. The Ampeak 2000-watt inverter is a reliable and efficient solution for automotive, RV, solar, and off-grid applications, offering 2,000 watts of continuous power and 4,000 watts of peak output. Its modified sine wave output provides stable AC power suitable for most household appliances, electronics, and recreational devices, ensuring smooth operation without voltage fluctuations. The inverter achieves a conversion efficiency of 89.37%, outperforming many competitors, which minimizes energy loss and prolongs the lifespan of connected devices. Equipped with dual 5V/3.1A USB ports and 3 AC outlets, it allows flexible connectivity from multiple devices simultaneously. Safety is a priority, with 11 built-in protections, including overvoltage, undervoltage, overload, overheating, and short-circuit safeguards, ensuring reliable and secure operation under varying loads. A quiet operation at 52 decibels makes it suitable for home, RV, or outdoor use, providing peaceful performance without intrusive fan noise. An LED display provides clear monitoring of inverter status, while an intelligent temperature-controlled fan ensures optimal cooling by activating only when necessary, protecting the unit from overheating. Number 5. ZETAWALE 2000-watt inverter. The ZETAWALE 2000-watt inverter is a powerful and versatile pure sine wave inverter designed for DC 12V to AC 110 to 120V conversion, providing 2,000 watts of continuous power and up to 4,000 watts peak output. Its advanced pure sine wave technology delivers utility-comparable AC power, running appliances smoothly without generating unusual noises, protecting sensitive electronics, and ensuring long-term device reliability. The inverter includes an LCD display and a 14.76-foot wired remote, allowing users to monitor performance, adjust settings, and troubleshoot conveniently from a distance. Connectivity is highly versatile, with 4 AC outlets, USB, and Type-C fast charging ports, making it suitable for off-grid solar systems, trucks, boats, homes, and outdoor recreational activities such as camping. The ZETAWALE inverter incorporates comprehensive safety protections, including overload, overvoltage, undervoltage, overtemperature, and short-circuit safeguards, while dual intelligent cooling fans manage heat efficiently, reduce noise, and enhance battery life. Its high output, robust construction, and user-friendly features make it ideal for both emergency power needs and continuous off-grid operation. Capable of running high-power appliances and sensitive electronics safely, this inverter is perfect for RV enthusiasts, solar users, and travelers seeking reliable and stable power. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.